Here's 5 reasons why your mix will never be good as the pros. Reason number 1. You not listening to the pros. You not even paying attention to the pros. You are listening to content creators. There's a difference between YouTube engineers and engineers on YouTube. Like, what? YouTube engineers? Yeah, YouTube engineers, right? They just content creators that go research or read about music and mixing and all that, and they come tell y'all, hey, this is how you do this. You know, just based off presets they find online. Bro, it's mind-boggling that people actually pay attention to that. Y'all go pay attention to somebody humming on the mic and put a preset on there like, this how you eat. Bro, you gotta be playing with yourself. You playing with yourself. Stop that. Number 2, your reference point is different from your mixing point. Let me show you. Better yet, your reference point. When I listen to music, I listen to music on these. When it's time to mix, I mix on these. Can't listen to music in your ear pod, and then when it's time to mix, you switching a reference point. How does that make sense? You trying to get the exact sound you heard in these on this. It does not make sense. Number 3, you don't mix enough. Yes, I know it sound crazy. You need to put into practice the reps. You know what I'm saying? Number 4, your source is bad. You recording on toilet paper. Nah, I'm joking. You recording on a bad source. You over cranking the goddamn mic where it's distorted. You gotta get clean signal. You can't polish turd, they be saying. You can't grab horse poop and try to shine it. It don't make sense. And number 5, you not subscribed. You seen that coming, ain't you? Nah, Cal. Number 5, you gotta read, man. I'm gonna put y'all on a shameless plug, cuz. Sound on sound.com. The magazines be like $2. All these videos I be seeing people try to replicate, the pro already done the job. And they had PDFs like, okay, when I mix this song, this is how I did it. I've been in your shoes. Find the people. Like, let's say I like Mixed by Ali. I'll go watch Mixed by Ali videos. Say I like Lil Durk. Who makes Lil Durk voice? Who be mixing this song? I go try to listen to them. You know what I'm saying? Hey, see y'all next time. If you ain't subscribed, you ain't doing right. Boom.